Hidden deep in the forest, this abandoned car was left to decay for decades. Nature slowly reclaimed it, covering metal with rust, moss, and dirt. Time had erased its shine, leaving only corrosion and silence behind. Every surface showed signs of neglect, damage, and years of exposure. What once moved with power now stood frozen and forgotten. The interior told a story of abandonment and slow destruction. Even the smallest details showed the weight of time. Bringing this machine back would not be easy. The first step was recovery from its resting place. Carefully transported, the restoration journey began. A detailed inspection revealed the true extent of the damage. Every component was examined before work could begin. Disassembly started piece by piece. Rusty bolts resisted, showing years of corrosion.
Watch the fender, bring it back slowly.
The corrosion on the undercarriage is extensive.
Each removed part uncovered deeper issues beneath. The engine showed signs of long-term neglect.
The biggest issue here is the corrosion on the wiring harness.
Grease, dirt, and rust covered every surface. Cleaning began with powerful pressure washing.
We're looking at significant corrosion in the wheel.
Years of grime slowly washed away.
All right, let's get this analyzed. Hand me the bore scope. We need to see.
Rust removal revealed solid metal underneath.
We've got significant decay around the headlight housing.
Okay, noted.
Careful sanding restored smooth surfaces.
Superficial grime.
The rust on the frame is extensive, especially around the suspension.
Each clean part brought
We're looking
visible
at a full
progress.
body off restoration.
Polishing returned a lost shine. The transformation became impossible to ignore. Painting marked a major turning point. Fresh color replaced decades of damage. Layer by layer, the body was reborn. Attention returned to mechanical components. The engine was carefully cleaned and refined. Reassembly required precision and patience. Each part was returned to its rightful place. Slowly, the machine began to look complete again. Interior details were restored with care. Worn surfaces were cleaned and revived. Comfort and structure returned together. Final assembly brought everything together. The transformation was nearly complete. Final adjustments ensured every detail was perfect. Polishing revealed a flawless finish. What once looked beyond saving now looked brand new. The difference was nothing short of remarkable. Every angle reflected careful restoration. The interior matched the exterior's revival. This machine was ready to move again. The engine came back to life. Sound replaced silence after many years. The restoration had succeeded. From decay to precision, every step mattered. What was abandoned now stood renewed. This transformation tells a powerful story. A reminder of what patience and care can achieve. Every restored detail honors its original design. The journey was long, but worth every moment. This machine was given a second life. A complete transformation from start to finish. The past and present now meet perfectly. Restoration is more than repair. It is about preserving history. And bringing forgotten machines back to life. This journey proves nothing is truly lost.
First full reveal.
Only waiting to be restored. From rust to refinement. From silence to motion. A complete rebirth. This is the power of restoration.